Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable live captions for audio and video on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable live captions for audio and video on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Accessibility. Scroll down. Here you will find Hearing. Under Hearing, you will find an option Captions. Click on Captions. And here you will find an option Live Captions. Audio and video will be captioned live on your screen. Now it's turned off. Just click here to turn it on. Live captions for audio and video is turned on in my Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.